my friends traders. This is Caroline Alizana, a graduate student of the Grok Trade Mentoring Program. It is Wednesday, April 27th of 2011, and we are looking at the Q's daily chart. And what a beautiful breakout through that high of February 16th, which we talked about yesterday, and it was at the 59.04 mark. We are finally breaking through it and closing above it, which is indicating bullish. And we're making a new high today at the 59.29, and as you can see, we are still in a pretty nice uptrend in here. According to our candlestick pattern, we're still making higher highs and higher lows, which is telling us that we are still going up. We're still in an uptrend above all major areas of resistance, as well as above our major moving averages, which are down below. And check this out. Look at the MACD. The MACD is rising. It's still above the zero line, and it's pointing north. It's pointing higher with another positive tick, which is a really nice confirmation in here. And look at this. Look at the volume. We're above the average at this point in time here on our volume. So we are getting a higher and a little bit a bigger volume bar here today, and we are above the average, which is another confirmation. So that's a good sign. So things are looking bullish at this point, and what we need to pay close attention to tomorrow is the high of today, of course, at the 59.29 mark. So put a little trend line right there so we can better see it once we get closer to it. And then watch for a breakout. If we ever break through the 59.29 mark and then close above it, we could head higher, making another high, another higher high, and then a higher low. Or we could pull back down a little bit. We could get a little bit of a pullback to the downside, and then I would like to see it go down to that 57.90 mark, which you can see here in gray. I have that little trend line in here in gray. So that is the area of support that I'm talking about. So I would like to see it go down to that 57.90 mark if we ever get a little bit of a pullback. And then from then on, we could cut lower, bounce off of it, and continue to the upside again, breaking through all major areas of resistance on our way up, as well as breaking through the 59.29, continuing higher. So that's another scenario in here. Or again, we could rest here for a while at this high before we continue higher. So if we get two more candlesticks right here at the high of 59.04, and then we would need to wait for a breakout one way or the other. But as of now, as of today, things are looking bullish. So pay close attention to all major areas of resistance and as well as support that I showed you here today. And also look for confirmation with the MACD. So have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you